Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be covering the break-even ROAS calculator. So this is a little preview here. So the break-even ROAS calculator is a tool designed to help e-commerce businesses determine the minimum return on ad spend required to achieve a break-even on their advertising campaign. So you guys can click for your own copy here. So you're able to make a copy and edit it to suit your business and your products or your averages. So I've got this opened up here. So let's go through and have a look at this. So this is just a little simple calculator, but it's an important exercise for every e-commerce business to do during this time if you are going to run offers. So let's just say, for role-playing sake, the average order value for this brand is $250. The average cost of goods sold is $70. Payment processing fees, whatever they are for your business, put something in there. So I've just got $2.50 here. Shipping cost, it's $15 for this brand. Fulfillment cost per unit, let's say $5. Whatever this is for your business, hopefully you know these numbers. You can put this into the calculator and it'll spit out a number at the bottom. Now, this is the super important bit during this time. So depending on your offer, you're going to be able to change. Say if you got a bundle deal, you got to put the bundle the price of the bundle up here and adjust all the numbers for this offer. And then whether you're doing a discount, a dollar off, or a percentage, or you're doing a free gift, then you've got to be putting those costs in. And then it's going to come out with the total cost of product and to fulfill. You've got to have your percentage there, and then you've got to have your net profit in dollar figure and also as a percentage. And you're going to come out with this break-even ROAS number as well. So currently it's sitting at 1.59. So this means, for this current example, if you were running a brand with these exact numbers, then all you need to do is get a 1.6 and you can scale that bitch to the moon, right? So anything over, say, a 2, you were just pumping money into these campaigns, right? But obviously, these are very good numbers, so we're just going to start adjusting this. So maybe the free offer is going to be a product valued at $30. Let's say I like playmats because I've done a lot of playmat companies, so I just know these offers off the top of my head. So let's just say the playmat costs $250 with some cleaning product or something, and then you also got to include a free comforter or a blanket or something, and the value of that's going to be $30. So you can see this automatically adjust. So we put $30 in there. It's gone from a 1.59 break even to a 2.56. So just adding that $30 in there, it's dropped our net profit percentage down to 39%. Now, we want to attract as many customers as possible during this period. And we know as a brand, like, this is a really good growth period for us. So we're actually going to also offer a percentage off discount as well. Let's say 20%. So we're really cutting into our margins now. So the net profit percentage has gone to under 20%. So this, like, we're only profiting about $47.30 for every order that comes through. But maybe we know as a brand, the lifetime value is actually like $620. They might actually return to buy another mat or lots of other blankets or different products, feeding accessories, or whatever it needs to be. So we know we are going to actually make money on the back end of getting these people in. So we might be comfortable on this. So we actually, like, our break even ROAS might be a 5.29, but we're actually happy with a 4 and getting people in the door, as many as possible. As long as we're over a 4, we can afford to lose some on the front end. But we know we're going to make that up in lifetime value. But for this brand, if they were looking to only make profit on the first time purchase, then we need to hit a 5.29 to break even. So this is leaving pretty much nothing at the end of the day. So we're going to be like, hey, this is too much. So we're actually going to take this $30 off. We're not going to include a free discount, a free product, sorry. We're only going to include the 20% off discount. Now, referring to our last video, we know that that probably isn't enough. So we're actually going to offer free shipping as well. So we've got to change that to 0. This brings our net profit to $122, which we're happy with. Break even ROAS of 2. So anything over like a 2.1, then we're happily scaling as far as we possibly can. And we're pretty happy with this. The net profit percentage is still around 50%. So we're quite happy with this. Now we want to make this offer even stronger. So maybe we are just going to include a $15 product rather than 30. So we're still breaking even around that 2.71. We know during this time, based off previous numbers, we usually hit a, let's say, a 3x, for example. So we're really happy with this offer. We're offering free shipping, we're offering 20% off, and we're also offering a free product. So this is how you can start to use the calculator to determine what you guys want to offer. Yeah, obviously, the more you can offer, the better it's going to be. It's going to bring in more customers and stuff like that. But this is going to help you protect your margins. You do really need to have a conversation with yourself about how much you're willing to give in order to get customers. But I think this is a pretty healthy offer, especially during this period. Like, brands are discounting so heavily and not even doing these exercises and probably losing a lot of money because of it. So around 36% seems pretty healthy to me. We know we can achieve a 3x during this period based off prior results. So we're going to go ahead with this offer of a free product of $15, 20% off discount, and free shipping. So those are all points we can use within our advertising as well, and Lockie's going to be pretty happy with that. So yeah, this is how you can use the calculator. If you do want to make your own copy, just go File, make a copy, and start editing yourself. If you do have any questions or run into any problems, please message me on Instagram as always. And in the next video, we're going to be going through our goal setting calculator.